time track day. Just wanted to see what it was like being out here on the track. It looks pretty cool. I did not register in time only because I had got an invite. But hopefully the next time this thing comes around, I'll be able to do a track day. It looks really, really cool. I've only been here for about 20 minutes now, and I'll show you guys the setup these guys out here have. Man, these bikes are pretty fast. Right now, I think it's the leader bikes that are running, and then eventually the advanced class just ran, and then next is the novice class. All right, guys, here they come. Novice group. Follow the leader. See, the thing is, I'm glad I came out today because I get to see what it's like, and so that way the next time I come out, I can actually see what it's like with these guys riding on my turn. Repsol. More of the novice group. Oh boy. That's a leader bike that just passed. R1. That was the R1. Warming them tires. All right, guys, I got to give you a review on the Kawasaki ZX6R 2020. What a difference in power when it comes to this bike. So the ride from the dealership home, night and day difference. I felt the way this bike doesn't care what RPM range it's in, it automatically begins to pull. I currently have the bike set up to full power, traction control off, and quick shifter on. All right, so to turn on and off the features, if you ever decide to get this bike, it's pretty cool. All right, so what you want to do is you reach, so right now I have it on power full. Well, the bike was off, so it automatically goes to traction control 1, and then quick shifter, the KQS is quick shifter. So you just press once, and then it changes up and down. If you press down, it goes to low. You go up, it goes to full. If you press it again, it goes to the traction control. If you go up, it turns it off. If you go down, it turns it on. 3 is the highest, and that's full power, full traction control. It completely takes over the bike. The last time I rode with traction control was when I was coming home from the dealership. The gentleman, the sales rep, put it on 2, and whenever I would lean the bike over, the bike would kind of try to. I can feel the chain in the suspension, and the rear wheel kind of jerking with me. It made me nervous a little bit, but I always keep traction control off, so that way it feels like a regular bike to me. Now, to turn on the quick shifter on and off, what you want to do is you want to hold down the select button for at least 3 seconds, and then once you hold it down, that KQS will disappear, and that's how you turn off the quick shifter feature. Wait till these guys pass. I must say, YouTube, being out here for less than 45 minutes to an hour, I'm just looking. In the pits, a lot of the guys give me the impression they don't want me around their bikes. I understand, you know, if something comes up missing, oh, that guy that was walking around in street gear, you know, whatever. But I haven't had any interactions with any of the instructors, and nobody's really talking to me. It's kind of unsettling, but I came up to the top floor just to kind of get a feel for where do they ride as far as the entire track. They look like they're having an amazing time. Okay, so that's where they go. It's a long sweep. It's a tight sweep. Then they ride all the way to the very end of the track on the inside. And I'm assuming they make a left somewhere and then ride back out. I'm gonna see if if I can get some footage of the bikes cornering towards the front and the rear, just to have an idea on what they use to corner at, like for instance, if they're trail braking, if they're leaning in, pulling in on the clutch and throttling out of the turn, seeing where their apexes are located, things like that. So let me see if I can find a good angle for the corners. And yeah, I just want to see, oh, I see a point where there's cornering. So let me go over there real quick. I almost failed. Let me go over there real quick so I can get you guys a better view of how they're cornering on the track. I mean, that's the most I can do because I didn't register. I can't get any closer than this for some reason. But these leader bikes are completely off the throttle on these on the inside, and then he throttled out kind of late. Like I don't hear acceleration until they get on that second turn. And another thing I'm noticing too is the body positioning. So if you look at their bodies shift to the other side after they stand the bike up. Like look at his body positions. He's shifting his body over after the bike is straight up, and then he shifts his body to the inside and then back to the outside. I think if I was to do a track day, I would have a lot more fun on my 636 than most of these leader bikes. That's the CBR 1000 2020. I'm sorry, 2019. That CBR 1000 2019 looks really nice. I'll try to get you guys a close-up on that bike. That R1. And what's crazy, this is the advanced class, and I only see leader bikes. I don't see no 600s. But I would think in the advanced class it'd be more fun to be on a 600 than a leader bike. Uh-oh. And another thing I noticed about these guys, they don't have like an instructor out here with them, which is cool. It's pretty cool. Look at these guys come around the corner. Look at that. Look at that. Look. So for your first track day, man, how you like it?
I feel like an idiot out there.
An idiot? No, you ruining the video.
It's awesome though.
Yeah.
No, I do.
But why do you feel like a?
Because we think we know how to ride on the street and you don't know how to do shit.
Yeah, but
these terms are no joke.
Yeah, but Daddy, come on, man. All right, I'm gonna start over. All right, Daddy, you ready? All right, man. For your first track day, man, how do you feel?
Fucking awesome.
Yeah, right?
Really awesome.
Yeah. So what is it like on the corners?
It's hard. It's
okay.
Hard. It really is. It's hard.
Yeah. So all the years of experience you got riding, what does it feel like now?
They didn't account for shit. Out on the street, I'm fine, but on this track, man, I don't know anything at all, man.
USA, 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 USA. Pretty cool, man. Oh, here they come. Here they come. He don't like he's going fast. He like he's just relaxing. That one in the front, the black one, full top, full top. A lot of these guys I'm not seeing full top. I'm seeing okay top. What is that? Go, 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 go. At least full torque, sir. That's a ball stock bike. See, he's going. He's moving. A lot of these guys are really moving. What I'm noticing, they're braking early. This Ducati looks small. The bikes that are out here. Ninja 400. And if you look at the bike, it's basic mods. I'm not sure. I mean, he got the mirror block offs. He got the taped up windows. He has steel braided lines front and back. Case cover, shotgun frame slider, no cut frame slider, stock exhaust. Really. Let's see. Another advance, boys. First mod done, fellas. Tank grips installed. Link in the description of the video. It's clean, boys. What a long day at the track. He's riding with aggression. He's like, I don't care, man. I'm gonna make this bike understand who I am and what I am and why I am who I am. Huh? Build a track bike, you say, huh? Build a track bike. I put a poll out and I said, guys, what do you prefer the next bike build to be? Either a stunt bike or a track bike. And I got 61% of everybody that voted a track bike. The next track event, obviously I have to be in a novice group. I don't mind. These bikes look like they're all leader bikes anyway. I'm a little nervous. But I'm curious to see where my skill level lies in these groups. Because I do practice a lot, not track type speeds, but I practice slow speed maneuvers. I practice braking, trail braking, that sort of thing, in parks and parking lots. So to be out here on the track, like an actual track, I'm curious to see where my skills lie, like what level, what's my skill level. If I'm gonna be in the back of the group, if I'm gonna be in the middle or the front. But some of the pointers that the guy I interviewed, Danny, the one I interviewed earlier, some of the pointers that he's been given seems like very powerful pointers. And I've done some research and I've learned that one day out here on the track is like a year. 6 laps. Yeah. A day out here on the track is like not yet. It's like 2 damn. A day out here on the track is like 6 months of practice. Not a day, what am I saying? Not a day. A day out here, you learn so much when it comes to cornering, when it comes to braking hard. You really learn the bike. You really learn how a bike should or does feel. And I think it's pretty cool. I like the experience. I didn't even ride today, and everything that I see here, like the environment is cool. I haven't really met many people out here to kind of like chop it up with, other than the guys I came with. Yeah, it's pretty cool, man. I like it. Yeah, so expect a track day video coming soon. The next one, hopefully, God willing.